Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to make Google Chrome read any web page loudly. So let's start. First open your Google Chrome browser and here I just go to my address bar and search here the Today News. And I open the Indian Express website and I just scroll down. I open here the one articles. I just click on these and just scroll down and simply right click on the article. Just right click on it. Okay. And here you can see the one option open in reading mode. Just click on it. And here you can see the right hand side, the reading mode is open. To turn on the read loud, just click on this above option play. Just click on it. And here you see, wait for the few seconds.
NCP-SP accuses Ajit Pawar's faction of using money power for unopposed victory of their candidates.
And that's it.
Supriya Sul writes,
Here,
fake full body why candidates are
if you
withdrawing
want to
nominations.
stop, just click on again and that's it. So this is the way you can use the read loud in Chrome browser. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.